Did you know there's a community of an estimated 38 trillion microorganisms living in and on your body? They outnumber human cells 10 to 1 and contribute more to your survival than even your own DNA. Hi, I'm Asma Isak, CEO of Modere, here to talk to you about the new biology of wellness, your microbiome. Comprised of more than 10,000 strains of bacteria and other microbes, your microbiome is uniquely you. Seeded at birth with bacteria from your mother, your microbiome colonizes the gut in the first few days of your life, and it goes far beyond just a healthy digestive system. DNA from these strains of bacteria not only supplement your own with genes necessary to help digest the food we eat and supply the vitamins we need, it supports our immune system, 70% of which lives in the gut. Bacteria in the gut also supports the development of important neurotransmitters. One example is serotonin, the chemical that makes you feel happy. 80 to 90% of this essential brain compound is created in the gastrointestinal tract with help from gut bacteria. The gut also creates GABA, an amino acid that helps provide a feeling of calmness, and glutamate, which plays an important role in cognition, memory, and learning. Emerging scientific research indicates that perhaps the most important role of your microbiome may be to support the gut-brain axis, the effect your gut health has on your brain and vice versa. Part of the reason has to do with our further understanding of the vagus nerve, the longest cranial nerve in the body. It's considered the information superhighway between the gut and the brain. The effect your microbiome has on overall wellness is profound. That's why some scientists refer to it as the master switch to wellness. The symbiotic relationship between you and your microbiome is the new biology of wellness. Ask yourself, is your gut healthy enough to support an ecosystem of 38 trillion microorganisms? Your microbiome is in constant flux. Everything from diet and exercise to the environment and the amount of sleep you get affects your microbiome on a daily basis. Although your own bacterial makeup is unique to you, there are certain bacterial strains well studied for their ability to survive the acidic environment of the stomach and their ability to populate in the intestines. Incorporating these select probiotic strains paired with nutritional factors critical to their survival helps promote gut health and ultimately your overall well-being. So how do you ensure that you have plenty of these good bacteria? Modere Axis Trebiotic, with its exclusive microbiome matrix, is cutting-edge nutraceutical science, combining perfect pairings of well-studied pre, pro, and postbiotics. Our 3-in-1 Trebiotic helps to support gastrointestinal health, gut barrier integrity, micronutrient synthesis, microbiome diversity, immune function, brain and cognitive health, and overall well-being and energy. Plus, Modere Axis Trebiotic helps maintain regularity, ease occasional bloating, and alleviate occasional constipation. The first key factor in Modere Axis Trebiotic is a prebiotic called GOS. GOS provides an abundant food source for good bacteria in the gut to ensure the growth of a healthy microbiome. It's scientifically shown to help cultivate the population of Lactobacillus plantarum DR7 found in our probiotic complex. In fact, GOS prebiotic worked so well that at 24 hours, it populated up to 900% more bacteria than inulin and 230% more than fructooligosaccharides, or FOS. GOS prebiotic helps gut bacteria populate faster and with greater density so you can see and feel benefits sooner. The second key factor in Modere Axis Trebiotic is NeuroFlora Probiotic Complex. Our exclusive combination of Lactobacillus plantarum strain DR7, Pediococcus acinetoceti, and Lactobacillus brevis. With 10 billion cells at time of manufacture, these gram-positive bacteria are scientifically backed by fundamental strain-specific studies and thrive in a variety of pH and temperature, making them ideal probiotics for colonization in the gastrointestinal tract. NeuroFlora Probiotic Complex goes above and beyond gut health, supporting immune function, cognitive health, and overall wellness. The third key factor in our Trebiotic is Epicor GI Plus Postbiotic, an advancement for complete gut health. Postbiotics are bioactive compounds generated from prebiotics and probiotics during fermentation and support most of the overall health benefits. So having a postbiotic in your gut health formula helps optimize its benefits. A whole food fermentate, Epicor GI Plus undergoes a proprietary fermentation process, which creates a unique fingerprint of bioactive ingredients that make it a one-of-a-kind postbiotic backed by 15 scientific studies. In the intestines, Epicor GI Plus is scientifically shown to help support healthy levels of butyrate, an important short-chain fatty acid essential to a healthy gut lining, complete with tight junctions and a mucosal barrier. A healthy gut lining optimizes micronutrient absorption, allowing vitamins and minerals to enter the bloodstream to where they're needed for immune support and overall wellness. Modera Access Prebiotic provides a complete 3-in-1 formula with the latest technology in gut health. It's cutting-edge nutraceutical science. Modera Access Prebiotic is shelf-stable without refrigeration and utilizes a unique beadlet delivery system. Scientifically selected acid-resistant bacteria survive the stomach and populate in the intestines where they're needed. There's no pills to swallow. Simply sprinkle on cereal or yogurt or blend into a smoothie, making your healthy food choices even more impactful. When you choose probiotic bacteria strains specifically studied for their benefits on overall wellness, feed them prebiotics perfectly paired to encourage colonization in the intestinal tract, and reinforce your gut lining with a one-of-a-kind postbiotic, you create the perfect environment for a healthy gut microbiome. Is your current gut health product doing all of that? Choose Modera Access and support your 38 trillion microorganisms with cutting-edge nutraceutical science, a prebiotic of perfectly paired pre, pro, and postbiotics. This is the new biology of wellness. This is Modera Access Prebiotic.